Hi children, how are you? I hope you are fine and you are safe and you are eating a very healthy food so that you can boost your immunity. And today for the class 2nd children, this is English and lesson number 3. Lesson number 3, what is that in lesson number 3 children? I promise, as you can see in your textbook. In the textbook page number 25. Yesterday we have completed page number 25. As you can see this page number 25, a little garden, super garden we have completed. Okay. So today we are going to complete this lesson, this lesson we are going to complete. Okay children. Yeah. Okay, let us start. Okay. Lisa walks to the park near her house. Where I am reading children? All of you please open page number 26. Page number 26 open children please. 26. You can find here 27. Here this is page number 26. Okay. Please all of you keep the finger here. Keep the finger here all of you. As you can see here. Yes. Yeah. Lisa walks to the park near her house. So where Lisa is going? Lisa is walking near to her house. Okay, next. The signboard in the park says do not pluck flowers. What is the spelling of pluck? What is the spelling for pluck children? Yes, that is P-L-U-C-K, pluck. P-L-U-C-K, pluck. And before this pluck, what new word you have seen? That is signboard. What is the spelling for signboard children? S-I-G-N, sign, B-O-A-R-D, signboard. Okay. What is the spelling for signboard children? S-I-G-N, sign, B-O-A-R-D, signboard. Okay. Next one. Do not pluck flowers. Okay. Next one you see children. However, what is this? However, H-O-W, how, E-V-E-R, ever. You can see here, yes. However, Lisa loves to pluck flowers and put them in vase in her house. So, what the Lisa has done? What's her name children? Yes, that is Lisa. Lisa, that girl, what she is doing is she will pluck the flowers and she is decorated in her home, in her house, in a vase. In a vase, you can find is vase or vase, anything you can find it. That in the home, yes, in the middle stool you can find it. Okay, in the middle table. Okay, next. She loves seeing them on her table. She loves seeing them on her table. See, here in front of me the table is there. So, if I will keep the vase of flowers, it will look so good, so pretty, right? So, this in the same way the Lisa is loves to look at her and she finds it very good. Okay. She plucks flowers whenever she sees them. So, here please children open this page and please try to read this sentence. She plucks flowers whenever she sees them. So, whenever she sees the flowers, she wants to pluck them and she wants to decorate in her house. Okay. Now, are you seeing this picture children? Wow, so nice garden. So nice garden, different flowers are there. Lisa is trying to pluck for them. She is thinking to pluck that. And here what they have written? Do not pluck flowers. Repeat after me children. Do not pluck flowers. Okay. Here the tree is present, her house is present. Here the garden, very beautiful garden it is present. Na? You can see it children, very nice. Yes. Okay. Now coming to this page number children, please open this page number and please start reading. Start reading around this. Yes. First one. One day Lisa goes to the garden with a basket. So, what happened one day? She went to the garden with the basket. Why she went to the Why she has went to take the basket and she went to the garden to pluck flowers. Okay. She is going to pluck flowers. Suddenly she stops. Here, please children, here. Suddenly. What is the spelling for suddenly? S-U-D-D-E-N-L-Y. Suddenly she stops. Oh, then suddenly she stops. What has happened? Why she has stopped? Let us see. Okay. Shh. Look at the flowers in the garden. So she is hearing some voice. Some voice is saying, shh. Look at the flowers in the garden. A fairy is touching all the flowers. So what she has, see, a fairy. See here children, a fairy is touching all the flowers. All the flowers has turned brown. The trees and leaves are brown as well. So when the fairy is touching all the flowers, what happens? Now the flowers and the leaves, all they are converted into brown color. Okay. Oh dear, the garden is brown. The trees, flowers and leaves are all brown. Oh dear. Now she is saying like, oh dear, this now the leaves, the trees, the plants, the flowers, everything they are converted into brown. This garden becomes brown in color, right? Lisa is very sad and little afraid. Here children. Lisa is very sad and little afraid. She doesn't know what has happened. So she doesn't know what has happened, right? Why the garden has become brown in color. Yes. She starts crying. Suddenly she hears a voice. So she starts crying. Suddenly she hears a voice. So what happened? She was crying because she is little bit afraid, and then what happened? She started crying. Okay. Next, why you are crying, little girl? That voice is saying. So somewhere some voice is coming, and that voice is saying that why Lisa you are crying? Because she was afraid. Who was afraid? Lisa was afraid and she was crying. Okay. And then she sad looking fairy, the fairy was not smiling. Now Lisa is saying, I don't like this brown garden. What she is saying here? I don't like this brown garden. Lisa, I want my colorful flowers back. She is saying that I want that colorful flowers back. And then fairy, the flowers have become brown, so you don't pluck them. So if you are trying to see and trying to pluck the flowers, it will become brown, she said. Who said? The fairy. Yes. I pluck them because I like them. But Lisa is saying that I pluck them because I like them. Here children, here in the page number 28. Page number 28 you can find it. Page number 28. Here. Okay, next. They live longer if you don't pluck them. Other people like to see them too. Okay, so fairy is saying that please don't pluck the flowers. If you pluck the flowers, their life has been shortened and they will not live longer. Okay. So Lisa, I want my colorful flowers back, said dear fairy, please. Will you promise never to pluck flowers again? I promise. Fairy. Alright then, the colors will back soon. Now here what has happened? The fairy has turned all the garden into brown color. But what happened? She took a promise from the Lisa that she should not pluck flowers. And the Lisa also saying, I promise that I will not pluck the flowers again. So then what happened? The fairy has turned all the brown colors of flowers into colorful. So that was the story of Lisa and the fairy. So that is the reason the name of the lesson is I promise. Okay, so last this one, mother. Lisa, get up, it's morning, let's go to the park. There are so many pretty flowers there. Lisa still loves flowers, but now she does not pluck them. Lisa, she looks at them. Here I am reading children. She looks at them, feels happy. She remember her promise. Lisa wants to flowers to live and grow. Okay. So here what has happened, children? So what happened? She was dreaming that one fairy has come to the garden, and then it has somebody has touched them, and it is the gardens turned brown color, right? So she was dreaming like, and then her mother comes to near to the Lisa, and she wake her up. Lisa, get up early in the morning. Then what happened? Now Lisa is going to the garden with her mother. Okay, and then now she knows that she should not pluck the flowers, and she knows that the flower has to live and grow. Yes, so even you too, children, do not pluck the flowers, and you too also just see that beauty, enhance them with your eyes, and do not pluck them. Okay, and do not cut the trees. It will help to our environment. Okay, children. Yes, this is the story of Lisa and Fairy. This is the chapter 3. Okay, so I hope you have learned, you have beautiful story, you have listened. Okay, children. Take care, children. Bye.
I promise. Lisa loves flowers. She loves red flowers. She loves yellow flowers. She loves blue and pink flowers. She also loves orange and purple flowers. Lisa walks to the park near her house. The signboard in the park says, "Do not pluck flowers." However, Lisa loves to pluck flowers and put them in a vase in her house. She loves seeing them on her table. She plucks flowers whenever she sees them. One day, Lisa goes to the garden with a basket. She is going to pluck more flowers. Suddenly, she stops. Shh! Look at the flowers in the garden. A fairy is touching all the flowers. All the flowers have turned brown. The trees and leaves are brown as well.